Most investors focus only on the company they're buying and few focus on how much they're paying. And that's the first problem. Today, we're talking about how great companies can still not to be good investments and the one metric that help with this problem. We will cover three main points. Why great companies does not always relates to a great investment. How you can find the great companies that actually worth your time and investment, and how price to free cash flow help you with that. So a lot of times you will see companies that have good revenues, pay dividends, and that have a lot of free cash flow. That is really important, but that's not all. And those companies, especially the ones that are really hype and that people talk a lot about, those are stocks that the price tag is too high. And that is the same problem you have when you're looking to become a member of a swim club or a country club. You're probably not looking for the worst one, because probably it won't fulfill your needs. And you are not looking also for the better one, because probably it will have all things that you need. It will have pool, it can have a golf club, but it's probably too expensive for you. So you have to look for something that is good, that have all the things you need, but is still cheap or still not expensive enough, so it's not worth. And with stock is just the same. You're looking for something that is good enough, that have revenue, that pay dividends, and that have a steady free cash flow, that it's still in your budget. And generally, those companies, they're passing through a rough time, so the price is not that good. People and investors are not so excited with it. And something that Peter Lynch, I will get the book, just a minute. I love this book. It's really great for you that are starting, for you that are a beginner. And Peter Lynch talks a lot about companies that are not in the radar, that people don't talk a lot. And he's talking about companies that are related to drugs sometimes, companies that are related to guns, companies that do stuff that are not a lot excited. The great thing about those boring companies is that a lot of people don't look to them, so the price tag is not too high. Even though the company is a great investment, the company is flying and making profits and making a lot of free cash flow every year, paying dividends every month. The great investors understand that. And beginners, a lot of times they're just looking on the internet and just looking for the next hype stock, and so they overlook those stocks. And the most important indicator I will show you here to find those stocks and to know if a stock is cheap or not is price to free cash flow. Price to free cash flow ratio is so important because it will get the price of the stock, take it down and make it related to the free cash flow. Sometimes you see a company that the price is going up and you think it is expensive. And a lot of people will say it's too expensive, but if a company is making more money, if the company is better, maybe it's even cheaper than in the last year. And a lot of times the price is going down, but the company is getting worse too. The free cash flow is going down, and the company is going into a lot of debts, a lot of trouble. With this chart, you're not misled to think that the stock is cheaper or expensive only based on the price, because the price is just the value that some people agree that is worth to buy and sell now. That's not what every investor think that that's not what the company worth. So the price to free cash flow can really guide you. And if you want to learn more about free cash flow, I have a video that explains better and with examples and how I learned it, because I learned it the hard way. In this video you can see and you can have this explanation in real life to understand better how free cash flow affects a company and a stock.